What's up, family? Welcome back to Hustling Crypto, that channel about crypto and only crypto. I'm your beloved host, Bo Ski, back with another video. And today I thought I'd take y'all a trip through the forest. Yes, I'm talking about that project, Dark Forest. This project's been getting a lot of buzz in crypto, so we're going to take a look at it and see what makes this project so special. So without further ado, between me and you, let's dig in. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, please hit that like, subscribe button. If you like hearing content about new projects, it only helps the algorithm out, lets YouTube know that the people really like the videos, and plus you help support the channel, help it grow. We already hit 1K subscribers. Let's push it to 2. So hit that like, subscribe button. Okay, what's up, family? We on Dark Forest website. Everything I show y'all will be linked in the description. You can go find everything I'm telling you. So when you come to the website, it says we decided to look at the overall market and decided what projects had amazing tokenomics but faltered. We then evolve these popular projects and optimize them to make them sustainable. We then link them together under the Dark Forest umbrella. So they actually bring in different projects underneath the umbrella. You're going to see what I'm saying. It's actually kind of amazing what they did. So coming down, it says Dark Forest vision. Where do we see ourselves in the future? What will separate us from the other DeFi's space? We envision Dark Forest to be the grand ecosystem of all DeFi investors can call home, whether you like nodes, NFT, Tomb, Titano, Yield, or play-to-earn games. These protocols, projects will be connected to each other under the Dark Forest ecosystem. You'll have cross-utility and be rewarded by being part of multiple projects. Our core value means the world to us: transparency, sustainability, and creativity. So they actually do have a lot of stuff going on here at Dark Forest. They say most common node protocols, all you do is buy a node and claim rewards and refresh the page, see if you're getting your rewards. Well, they do a little bit something different here. Our forest nodes are tradable NFTs that have utility across the whole ecosystem. Compounding your forest gives you extra rewards. As your daily rewards grows, the tier will be upgraded and will be getting a new car for each tier. Compound is available every 12 hours. Individuals as well as forests may be compounded by using the button. Tier 1 gets a 0% bonus. Tier 2, you get a 1 to 5% bonus. Tier 3 is a 5 to 10% bonus. Tier 4 is a 10 to 20% bonus. Tier 5 is a 20 to 30% bonus. And Tier 6 is a 30 to 40% bonus. Now, if you notice right there, every bonus you increase up by 1%. And that's all the way to the top. I know a lot of projects after your second tier, it goes down from 1% to like 0.5%, then 0.001%. They kept it all the way a buck. They kept it at 1% all the way around the board. So you actually will compound faster to the highest tier. I think it says something like 100 days. And if you come here to their PDF, it takes you a half a day to get to tier 2, 2 days to get to tier 3, 5 days to get to tier 4, 50 days to get to tier 5, and 100 days just to get to tier 6. Now, most projects, they make you wait like a whole 7-8 months just to get to the highest tier. And when you get to the highest tier and you finally want to cash out, and I think it's kind of crazy, when you want to cash out, you go all the way back down to tier 1. Well, with them, it's only 3 months. So really, if you get to tier 5 and you decide to take some profit, you only waited 50 days. So you can pretty much compound again to 50 days and take profit again and get to tier 5 and take profit. So they make it more reasonable if you ask me. And they go tell you how to build a node. We came up with several sustainability features such as unique node cost token distribution, a claim tax, sale tax, transfer tax, a whale tax, and a node tier system. All these functions work in tandem with one another to keep your ecosystem sustainable. The node tier system encourages people to upgrade their nodes to increase their rewards. All this alleviates reward pressure from the massive amount of nodes needed to be paid out. So to encourage people to upgrade, we came up with the idea that only tier 5 and 6 nodes you will need to get enough rewards to counter a rigorous tax. So in order to actually build a node, you actually need to get some NARC. So you go to Trader Joe and you can just click that button right here. Now you can actually, a lot of people don't be noticing this button right here. This button right here will actually put the token onto your MetaMask. Once you have that, you can come back here and you can build a node. Now I haven't built my node yet, but once you come here, you can start just building your nodes and you can go to, you can see your pending rewards. You can see your forests that you got, which are your nodes. And you can go right here and create and click new forest. What makes them so unique, they use like 3 different forks. They use a Tomb fork, a Titano fork, and they also got something called the Evolved Validify fork. So you can take your forest node, you can use your forest node just to get the earnings and go to the play to earn game. You can use it for the play to earn game, or you can stake your forest node into either a Tune fork or the Titano fork. And then you can still use those rewards to play the earn game. Now you can also take your forest node and put it through rewards into the seed vault and get earnings from the Evolve Valify. Now if you have the deer NFTs, you can also use those rewards to use the seed vault. But the deer NFTs are something that's really unique because you can use your NFT as a character on the game. It's only 5,000 NFTs. You can use those as characters on the game. Now, when it comes to the NFTs, the Dark Forest presents the Deer and the Predator NFTs, the project's first generation of NFTs within the Dark Forest ecosystem. Dark Forest NFTs are not only incredibly good looking, but possess top-notch DeFi utilities. In the collection, investors will not find any identical NFTs. That's kind of dope. You got 5,000 NFTs and they all look different. Pretty dope. The Dark Forest is their home, and both prey and predator fight to keep it safe from evil forces lurking in the Dark Forest. Within the forest, investors will find 4,995 deer stags divided into 4 different tiers, and among them is 5 mythical predators. So it's only 5 rare ones. You know, the predators are the ones that everybody wants. They have the most value, and they give you the most rewards. And they go through the details to it. It's only 5,000. No more NFTs be minted after the initial 5,000. The max you can have is 10 NFTs per wallet. Now these are the tiers in the minting. To get a tier 1, you have a 40% chance to get a tier 1. Tier 2, you have a 30% chance. Tier 3, you have a 20% chance. Tier 4, you have a 9.9% chance. And to get that predator, you got a 0.1% chance. If you got one of them predators, yeah, leave me a comment. We need to talk. See if I can get that up out you. Now, by holding a percentage of the NFT collection, the investor will obtain weekly airdrops. So they're giving people weekly airdrops just by holding the NFTs. The reward wallet generates earning from stablecoin investments, taxes, and treasury gain. Now, they come down here and they show the calculation of percentage that's given weekly. So they show the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and all that stuff and how much percentage they get. But they do a breakdown to show you even further. So let's say you got 3 tier 1 NFTs, 75,000. Times 20% equals 15,000. 15,000 divided by 2,000 because it's 2,000 tier 1s. That's $7.50 per week. So if you have 3 of them, that's $22.50. Now let's say for instance you have 3 tier 3 NFTs. You're getting roughly $15 per week per NFT. So if you got 3 of them, you're getting $45, which is not bad just for airdrop for an NFT that you're holding. Plus you're getting your money from your forest. So, but if you got that predator, one predator NFT, you're getting like $3,000 a week. Weekly airdrop, $3,000 a week. If you got that, hit me up. And the NFTs also give you a boost. You know, tier 1, 15,000 APY boost, and all the way down to the predator, which gives you a 200,000 APY boost. Then they go ahead and show the gallery. They really do have some really nice NFTs. I'm actually digging that tiger one right there. I wish I could get my hands on that one as well. I don't know if that's a predator one though. It might be a predator one. It gotta be, you know what I'm saying? It gotta be a predator because the deers is, you know, the prey, and the tigers should be going hard. So it gotta be a predator one. They also go ahead and talk about their Bloom referral, the Dark Forest referral system. When people mention referral systems, one of the main ideas that spring into mind is that it's a network marketing Ponzi scheme, which is not true. The high-yield DeFi platform on the Bloom allows users to choose between 2 options. You can join alone and earn a 1.5% daily return fee, or growing a downline to add into their Dark Forest experience. So I guess you can just keep adding on to somebody else and have your own like network of people that you do. But you had a potential at the bottom. It says, depositing NARC tokens to the Bloom contract provides them a passive daily return of 1.5% of their NARC and a potential payoff of 547% per year. Now, they haven't did the seed vault yet, but it's coming. They said they're currently working on the seed vault, so I can't explain how that works right now. And they haven't released what the play to earn is going to be, but you do know that the NFTs are going to be the characters on there. So it's going to be 5,000 unique characters around there in the play to earn game. Can't wait to do it till it come out, because I am copying the NFT. Now, if you're looking for the NFTs, since you can't mint any right now, you can actually go to tofunft.com. They actually have a few. They only got 4 on here, but they got a few. They got a couple, one for 3.3 AVAX and one for 3 AVAX. Those gonna be gone. I might grab those as soon as I get done with this video. So these are the NFTs. Like I said, you got the little tier 1, you got the slightly vegetated place, then work your way all the way up to this behemoth right here, which is like you're gonna need some breadcrumbs to walk through there, or you're gonna get lost. So that's the project, fam. Dark Forest been causing a lot of buzz right now, and I actually like exactly what they're doing and how they're using it. They're using the forks, they're using the NFTs, and they're putting it all underneath one. Man, they're doing great things over there. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Hey, family, it's been a good video. I'll see y'all on the flip side, but remember, stay safe, do your own research, and always, always be hustling crypto. Peace.